Welcome to Research Day. Research Day is a major highlight of the academic calendar here at St George's, the University of London. It's a time for us to celebrate the achievements and excellence of the research that we do, from the most junior student to the most eminent professor. It's also a time to meet others, share ideas, and maybe form new collaborations. And we start off by introducing some new arrivals and new schemes at St George's. Then we have a really important interactive poster session before moving on to the awards. And these awards are for people in the mid-stage of their career and for more senior people. And by seeing these awards and listening to what the awardees have to say, this can inspire and encourage the next generation to come forward. And the Research Day is topped off by a special guest lecture, the Thomas Young Lecture. This year it is given by Sir Paul Nurse, who won the Nobel Prize for Physiology or Medicine, and is one of the most eminent researchers in the world today.